Guys, today I'm going to teach you how to install and build a Raspberry Pi for the first time. First, you're going to need an SD card, micro SD card reader, a Raspberry Pi, a HDMI cable, a TV or a computer or a PC and a PC. So first of all, what you're going to do is just open your web browser and go to this raspberrypi.org/downloads. Now it will take you to the downloads page, or you can just go to raspberrypi.org and then go to downloads page. Now you're going to download the noobs file, noobs offline and network install. From this, download zip or torrent. Torrent, if you have any torrents, then you can use it. I use zip file. First click on it and it will show the downloads. I have it already. Then I will open this, drag it to your desktop, then close this and just plug in your SD card. Make sure you have plugged in. Okay, now it will recognize it. Yeah, it's Pi. I named it Pi. So make sure that open it and no file is there. So to do, ensuring that you're gonna need HD format. We're gonna use it next. First, what we're gonna do is just open up the noobs, and then we're gonna see that there OS is there in this. This Raspbian Wheezy. So it has these files. So now we're gonna see this. Now I'll just open 1 minute. Okay, guys. Now make sure that there is Raspbian. Okay. So now what we're gonna do is enter your SD card and just open your SD formatter that we have to download from the SD4 formatter. From the SD formatter sdcard.org. Then what you're gonna do is just open the site, and for it I have Mountain Lion, sorry, Yosemite. You just accept it, Mac, and then accept it, and it will download it. So now what we're gonna do is just open your SD formatter and then make sure that the disk is Pi. In the last, your name should be there. The name of the disk should be there. In format option should be local address adjustment. This option is interoperability with specific devices. So make sure it's no. In quick format, specify name of the card, Pi, and I'll name Pi, and let's click the format button. Now it's formatted. Close it. Now what we're going to do is just open your Pi, open your noobs, and we're going to copy 2 items, load it, just paste 2 items. So time is showing here. So guys, now I've copied all the items to Pi. Now let's close it and let's move to our Raspberry Pi.